Everyone asks for this recipe. Today we're making deviled eggs. Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. We're all about tasty food made easy. Start by finely chop 2 teaspoons of celery, including the leaves. Then finely chop 2 teaspoons of parsley. And grate 2 teaspoons of onion using the fine side of a cheese grater. Then peel 6 hard-cooked eggs. Cut the eggs in half lengthwise. And use a teaspoon to scoop out the egg yolk. Reserve the egg yolk in a mixing bowl. Then add 2 teaspoons of finely chopped celery and 2 teaspoons of finely chopped parsley. Add 2 teaspoons of finely grated onion and pour in half a teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then add 4 teaspoons of labneh or Greek yogurt and optionally add 1/4 teaspoon hot sauce. And lastly, add half a teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Use a fork to mash the egg yolk and mix all ingredients really well. And now is the perfect time to share this video. When all the ingredients are thoroughly combined, transfer the mixture into a cake piping bag. You will need all the mixture, so make sure you transfer all of it. Use the large star-shaped tip and pipe on a dollop into each egg. Completely fill each cavity with a generous amount. Then garnish the eggs by sprinkling on a pinch of smoked paprika. And lastly, sprinkle on some finely chopped chives. And there they are, easy deviled eggs. If you like this video, make sure you share it with your friends. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.